Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I would like to present my PBL assignment for Green Technology course under Madam Norain binti Idris. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Novitra Nadia binti Kabidan and my team leader is Muhammad Isman, and last but not least, my last team member Muhammad Nazrin. Let's start our presentation with, as we know, nowadays, municipal waste management has been concerned about the development of country. Different measurement has been taken to save landfill capacity and environment pollution. This is especially towards plastic waste, which has low degradation rates. PET is a type of plastic that has been recycled in worldwide. This project has been gained an idea to create from the waste material, example plastic, to be made the material ducting for HVAC system in the building. Our objective is to determine one material that can be used from recyclable material, and the second objective to ensure the material for green technology and it's safe for our environment.
The material in our recycled fabric ducting 100% post-consumer recycled material. The material is the precision hydrocarbon to make the polyester material. We also reduce the energy consumption to manufacture the fabric, reducing greenhouse gas emission and reducing water consumption. The only difference is the polyester that they are made from has come melting down recycled plastic water bottle. The clean polyester material is then spun into fiber for us to use for fabric ducting in exactly the same way as fabric made from virgin polyester. We had used material that have previously been discarded and could have hid from landfill or found themselves in woods ocean. By using a previously manufactured product, we are not having to use new precision hydrocarbon to make the polyester material. We know that we save 13 times 500 ml plastic bottle for every 2 meter square of material we use. That's mean 10 meter long 10-meter long with 630 mm diameter fabric duct would save over 257 plastic water bottle.
Okay, for the specific application of your chosen high efficiency material is first is flame retardant, which is the duct are placed around the flammable material so as to reduce the risk of the fire. And next is the clean room compatible to make sure the air is free from the particle. And then for the string is to protect the duct for the high damage in the environment. And then the last one is hydroscopic, which is the absorb the moisture of the air. Okay, for the comparison and advantage of the fabric ducting and all ducting, first is the price. For the price fabric ducting is take a less time to install, creating saving and installation to assess the cost. For the all ducting is take a long time to install and not saving a cost. And then for the maintenance is the fabric ducting is must be easier than the rigid ducting because the all ducting has a more issue for maintenance. Okay, for the next one is the air distribution. For the fabric ducting is to provide the much more controlled velocity and comfortable environment. And for the all ducting is the many loss dynamically at the change the direction such as in a bend or elbow. And then for the last one is so color, shape and material and visual. For fabric ducting can be an effective and interactive ventilation ducting option. And then compare with the all ducting with a high cost and more installation time and improved maintenance option. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.